नमस्कार। आज मैं अपने YouTube चैनल बायोलॉजिकल साइंस के माध्यम से क्लास 10th के बच्चों के लिए बायोलॉजी का सिलेबस स्टार्ट करने जा रही हूँ। बायोलॉजी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर है लाइफ प्रोसेसेस। लाइफ प्रोसेसेस मीन्स all those reactions which are required to sustain life in living organisms are known as life processes. It means किसी भी जीवधारी में जीवन के होने के लिए जिन क्रियाओं का होना आवश्यक है उनको हम जैविक क्रियाएं या लाइफ प्रोसेसेस कहते हैं। लाइफ प्रोसेसेस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स: न्यूट्रिशन, रेस्पिरेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड एक्सक्रीशन। फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज न्यूट्रिशन. During the nutrition, the complex food material which is present in our food, that is broken down into glucose with the help of various enzymes. This breakdown of complex food material into glucose is known as nutrition. This glucose is formed inside our small intestine, and the intestine is having finger-like projections. These projections are known as villi. Villi are having large amount of blood vessels. These blood vessels are filled with blood, and this blood which is present into these blood vessels is going to absorb glucose. When this glucose is absorbed into the blood, will move to each and every cell of your body. And this movement of glucose to each and every cell of your body comes under transportation. Transportation means किसी एक सब्सटेंस का एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना is known as transportation. यहाँ पर ग्लूकोज जो कि विलाई में बना था, प्रोड्यूस हुआ था, ये ब्लड के माध्यम से बॉडी के हर सेल में पहुंचाया जाता है. इस प्रोसेस को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कहते हैं. During the respiration, we are taking oxygen. We are taking oxygen inside our lungs, and lungs are having one specific structure that is known as alveoli. Alveoli are also highly vascularized. It means large blood vessels are present inside the alveoli. And the blood which is present inside the alveoli is forming a complex with the oxygen that is known as oxyhemoglobin. When this complex is formed, this is moving to each and every cell of the body with the help of blood. So, the movement of oxygen to each and every cell to all the cells of body comes under transportation. मतलब ऑक्सीजन का ब्लड के माध्यम से शरीर के हर सेल में पहुंचना ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है. As a result, each and every cell of your body is having glucose and oxygen, right? Now, inside the cell, the glucose is broken down to form carbon dioxide and energy in the form of ATP. This breakdown of glucose inside the cell is known as cellular respiration. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि during the respiration, energy is produced, right? It means you can see all these processes are interconnected to each other. The last topic is the excretion. Excretion means the removal of nitrogenous substances from the body. Now the question comes from where these substances are coming inside the body. Definitely many reactions are commencing inside the cell, and during the metabolic activities of the cell many substances are produced, and some of they are nitrogenous substances. Now we need to remove these substances from the cell. These substances are collected by the blood, and then they are reaching the kidney. And with the help of kidney, these nitrogenous wastes are thrown out of the body, or you can say that these are removed from the body. It means the removal of nitrogenous waste is known as excretion. In this way, you can see the processes which are given in this chapter, life processes, are interlinked. In the next video, I will explain about the nutrition. Thank you.